Oh, hello, pretty. Oh, Merlin, I love you so. Where's my cuddle baby? Where's my cuddle babe? Hi. Ah, Merlin. Wow. Yeah, Merlin. My Merlin. I love you so, little bird. Ah, there's my Merlin. That's my Merlin. Where's my baby? From here. Come get photos. Oh, you're so good. You were such a good bird. You're my baby bird.
And Merlin's probably one of the smartest birds in this rescue. Hi, Merlin.
On the planet, please.
Probably on the planet as well.
You shake hands? No? Ah, my little boy. I love my Merlin. He's a good boy.